Hi! In today's video, I'm going to give you tips and advice on email marketing that works like crazy right now to help you keep your relationship alive with your email customers. Hopefully, my tips will help you to grow your customer list and accelerate your email sales. I'm Dr. Loendi from legitblueprint.com, where I provide information to help you create and grow your online business. If you're new, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell that you never miss another video that you need to succeed online. New research has shown that for every $1 a company spends on email marketing, they make $44 in return. This makes email marketing an incredible, profitable marketing tool. Don't you think so? Things change and shift over time, and what worked last year does not necessarily work this year. So I'm going to share with you 5 tips that is working like crazy right now in 2020 to get your audience on your list and eventually to a paying customer. Tip number 1. Keep it simple. Email writing is for communicating with friends and family, and this should be the same for your customers. The email should look and feel personal, speaking to your customer. People always say, why do we not use big brands? They have great emails. Yes, I agree. But when did you send an email to a friend that looks like a big advertisement? We do not want to get into the promotion folder or spam folder of your customer. You have to slide casually into your customer's inbox as a friend, giving value that they can trust and not someone who's going to try to sell them something, but guide them into the direction you want them to go. Stick to the old way of sending text emails without big spammy adverts, as these emails will most likely be opened and read by your customers. I suggest no more than 1 link in an email if you have to add one. Tip number 2. Storytelling type of email. This is always a winner. This must give value to your customer. Instead of only a tip or advice, make it count for more. This makes it more personal than just a usual email. Tell your customer about a past customer, what happened to him, how he felt when this happened. Make your email colorful and also explain how you felt when this happened and how you want to help that this doesn't happen to them. You can decide how you want to frame the story as long as it's still valuable information that you're sending to your customer. Your customer want to feel that you are genuine. Number 3. Incorporate video in your email. Today, video is making the top scenes. Not only put a video in your email, but say this in the subject line. Your customer will see it immediately and they will not think you're trying to trick them with this video. You mentioned it in the beginning and more people like to watch a video. Your customer will consume your content and get the message you try to send them. Much easier than reading a long text. Many people are more prone to understand your message when they see it and hear it than just reading a message that they do not understand completely, if you did not state your content in a structured, clear way. Just take the message you wrote and make a video out of it. A short selfie-style video with your phone will connect to your client and the message will get conveyed to your customer easily. Upload the video to YouTube. Just post the thumbnail in email and link it direct to your video. This is a great way to increase your open rates of your emails. Play the hits. Point number 4. What I mean with this is that you have to make a series of emails When someone signs up for a newsletter or what you offer, their email series will start and they will get an email related to this from you every week until your series are finished. Repurpose content that you already have and use this in your email series. If you already have something that you can connect your customer to, you can do this by adding it in every email. If you have a blog post, webinar or podcast interview related to the product, you can send this to your customer via your email series. Remember, you need to introduce this from the start in your email and link it then. If you do not have anything like this, start fresh and write a weekly email and add them to your automation list for as long as you want this to go on. Just make sure that you always give out value to your customers. Tip number 5. Simple segmentation. Say for instance, your business offers different services and you have quite a big email list of customers. Give them an overall umbrella type of email asking them to mark which services they would be interested in from your business. After the first email, you will group them into different email series of your business and only send the emails they're interested in to them. They would also appreciate this arrangement from you, not to fill the email list with something they are not interested. By doing this, you will also ensure your customers will not unsubscribe from your email list because you send them something they're not interested in. I hope that you can see the value of having an email list, and I hope that these 5 tips were helpful to you and will help you getting more successful sales from your email list. My question to you, which of these tips are you excited to use, or which one are you using and how does this affect your list building? Please answer in the comment box below and share it with our group. I'm personally following a proven blueprint strategy to generate an income online, which is working for me. Check out the link below the video if you might need a second income online. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.